Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins. A couple of weeks ago, well, before Christmas, around about the end of October, beginning of November, I did a year 2000 series of 12 25-cent coins from Canada. This was Canada looking into the millennium and what was hopefully going to happen to them beyond that point. This coin set is again a 12 coin set, one for each month from Canada, but from the year 1999, and it's looking back on what has built Canada up. So we have 12 coins. One was released in each month. This is the obverse. Now the obverse is the same on all coins, so I'll only be showing this particular obverse. And on the back of this coin, on the reverse, we have January. Now January is called The Country Unfolds. They're all 25 cents. It shows a totem pole, an RCMP officer, and I think some fireworks or something in there. So they're celebrating how Canada has unfolded over the last 200 or 300 years, and what's certain history of Canada in this coin. The mintage for this January coin is 12,181,200. The next coin is February, and this is called, the actual name of the coin is Etched in Stone. It shows three petroglyphs, and that's Petroglyph, and it's from an area called the Provincial Park. The mintage for this coin is 14,469,250, and I believe it is like a man hunting, I think it's an elk. I'm not sure what the third one is. It might be one of their conical type boats. I'm not 100% sure. So that's a February coin. Oops. The March coin is called the Log Drive, and this has a lumberjack at work on the river pushing logs away and to take them downriver to the mill where they're shaped into what lumber is needed by Canada. This March coin has a mintage of 15,033,500. So there's the man here, and he's pushing logs away to send them down the river. Okay, that's March. April. April is our Northern Heritage, and on here we have an owl and a bear. Now the owl is here and goes out, and the bear is just in front of it here. Our Northern Heritage has and what's the bird and the bear are supposed to represent is power and benefactors. The mintage of this April coin is 15,446,000 coins. So that's April's coin. We now go to May, and on May's coin it's called Les Voyageurs. It's about people travelling in Canada. It may be ones going to the French places like Quebec and such like. It's people travelling on a river, and this May coin has a mintage of 15,566,100. Right, June. June's coin is called From Coast to Coast, and shows a picture of the Canadian Pacific Railway engine, or on rails. A Canadian engine from the Pacific Railway Company, Canadian Pacific Railway Company. The mintage is 20,432,750. That's quite a nice coin. A lot of people like coins with trains on. Right, next one. Is that the right one? It goes that way up. And this one represents July, and it's a nation of people. It's got 6 people. Is that the right one? July? Let me just check this one, I'm not too sure. 1 second please. It's very stylized. 6 people in a line show. A nation of people, and there's 6 people in line showing law and order. The mintage for this coin is 17,321,000. I'm not sure I get that from that picture, from that particular picture of the coin. Next one is my birth month, August, and August is the pioneer spirit. Then there's a man and a woman on making hay. It's supposed to show a man and a woman making hay, so the man and the woman are on, one's on top of the stack, one is by the side of the stack. The mintage for this August coin is 18,153,700. The September coin is called Canada through the eyes of, through a child's eye. So it's Canada through a child's eye, and it shows 3 people, or three characters holding hands, representing peace. The mintage for this Canada through a child's eye, I'll start again, Canada through a child's eye, is 31,539,350. I'm sure we've all drawn people that way when we were kids and such like. This is the October coin, and it's called A Tribute to the First Nation, and it shows an eagle, a bear and a killer whale, and this is for showing the sea, air and water of Canada, in and around Canada. The mintage for this October coin is 32,136,650. Can you make out everything on there? We have 3 coins left. We have 2 coins left, and this one here is the November coin, and it's called The Aeroplane Opens Up the North. It is a bush plane, which is one of the pioneering planes that opened up Canada. The mintage for this November coin is 27,162,800, and it shows a biplane. The last coin in this series of 12 for the pre-millennium, the year before the millennium, 1999, is the December coin, and it's called This is Canada. It's a nature dwelling, geographic shapes, mountains, forests and wheels of industry. That's what this coin represents. The mintage is 43,339,200. I certainly can see dwellings and mountains and I suppose a gear or something like that. A wheel of industry. I'm not sure where the forest is on that coin. Maybe the forest is a representation by that going on the outside, I don't know. So that brings to an end those 12 coins from Canada for 1999. This was the prelim to them releasing the 2000 Millennium coin set, which was 12 coins, which I did earlier on last year, later on last year, around about either October or November last year. I managed to get hold of its sister collection, which was the 1999 one. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, could you please give me the thumbs up? And if you haven't yet subscribed and you believe I deserve it, would you please subscribe to the channel? I do a minimum 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy. So from me, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too long into the future, from me, thank you and bye bye, and I'll catch up again with you soon. Ta-ra now.